Hello Steve, here are your no Machinework carburetors. Let's see if we can get a okay, serial number 20160 and I see 20296. Anyway, that's close enough. Alright, as I say, no Machinework. We did install, I did install new throttle shafts, and that tightened up the throttle shafts, throttle bores a whole bunch. Nothing was done on the throttle plates. They have the same machining that they came with from the factory on the first and second barrel. I mean, on the first barrel of each carburetor. The second barrel, this one's in pretty good shape, but just about what the factory did, and this one's a little bit sloppier than what the factory did. When we get the machine work done here, we can get the airflow through the second barrel down to between 0 and 1/2. And as I recall, this one was running 2, which is factory specs, and this one was running 3, and that's on our using the synchrometer. All the mating surfaces have been dressed down to where they are flat again. Nothing was flat on these carburetors, as you can imagine, after sitting this far above the exhaust header. Chokes working fine. Got the original CAD plating on here, new factory gaskets, which you can tell by the red here, and I've been very pleased so far. Have gotten these things are dry underneath here, which is pretty amazing. Still dry, so that's up above there. That's the leftover from washing them off. Okay, and this one still dry, so we're in good shape. I've got to warm these up before you can adjust them and tune them, and I've got the analog engine analyzer to help with that process. So we're going to try choking, cold start. Of course, it's about 90 degrees out, so it's a cold start, or choking is a relative term. But let's see what we got here. Switch on. Let me make sure the let's see, that's on the high side for RPM. Switch on, choke. This tack is not terribly accurate, that's why I use the analog. But the temperature gauge is accurate, so we're going to get these things warmed up. Choke works. pad opened up. Alright, let's get some measurements in now. The second barrel over here is sticking a little bit, and so what I did was I screwed down the adjustment in the center to where you get contact, which I don't usually do, but we need something to keep this second barrel closed artificially. Alright, so right here we got 3, reading 3. Keep himself. Reading 3. You see, push on it helps a little bit. Over on this side. Reading 2, which, as I say, is just about what the factory would achieve. And as you know, we're going to adjust these so they pull in the same on the first barrel. And we do that by disconnecting. Always disconnect our linkage. So we have independent carburetors. So I've already adjusted these, obviously. That's 4. That's 4 and a smidge, so what we're going to do is back this off just a smidge. Okay, right. Still 4 and a smidge. Back it off a little bit more. And there's 4. Half, 42, so we'll try to get them off. A little bit still above 4. Alright, there's 4 right there. Okay, and put the linkage back on and make sure nothing changes. We're good there. Now we're going to adjust our idle mixture screws, and these are, when we rebuild these carburetors, when we do the full machine work on the full Monty, we refresh these screw holes so that they have finer adjustments, but these are not bad. And the way I adjust these, of course, is with the analog tester, and get down there further. Alright, let's go on the low scale. So right now we've got an idle. This is our low RPM scale. We've got an idle of around 675, 700. I'm going to adjust the idle mixture screws to get our maximum best idle. And we use the analog so we can see what we're at. So I'm screwing in now. See, we're dropping off dramatically. Backing out. Drop off again, so we got our midpoint right where we get up to about almost 700. There we go. Number 2 carburetor. Dropping off, gotta back it out. Trying to get rough again, so going back in. Double check the front one. Back off a little bit. 675. Fun with worn out carburetors, peaking a little bit over 7, but either way, got a decent idle. Much better than I thought we would have had from these carburetors. We got no leaks. Look underneath here. Nothing leaking here. Good here. So that's encouraging. Checking inside the board. No drips here. No drips here. And as you have run into this before, if you have drips right here, it's usually this check valve is the offending unit. Okay, and as I mentioned, I have this adjustment right here down to where this pin is actually contacting right here, so that I don't have any movement here. Over here, this one's a little bit less tight. You can hear as I change as I move, it changes the idle. And as you know, when if you start changing your idle settings here, you're gonna have to check this adjustment here to make sure this is not too tight. The other thing I found was interesting is these came with G60 jets. I don't know where they got them from. They're ordinarily G55, but these G60s are working fine. It doesn't hurt probably have a little bit more fuel going through these carburetors during idle, especially with the crappy fuel we have nowadays. And do a hot start. I'm going to say these are, for no machine work, these are really nice carburetors. I'd have them on my car. Thank you very much for sending them to me.